That's good. Close it down. All right, today we're gonna make a chicken sandwich with virote. All right, that's how you do it. All right. So this is very simple meal if you want to get it, and it costs under $15. All right. So we got our virotes. All right. Probably $1.50, depends on, you know, they don't cost too much. Each one's $1. So there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that's $5 right there. And we got our chicken, which is inexpensive. I got it ready roasted. It just came out. All right. So I was lucky enough to get one of the first ones out of the actual grill. All right. So they gave us a beautiful chicken. Look at this. This chicken is inexpensive. We're gonna cut in pieces first. All right. Cut into smaller pieces. All right, so we could start shredding the whole thing, getting the pieces all separated. But this is probably my favorite part right here. This one, the wing. They're just amazing how they come out. So I'm gonna take those for me. And then of course, we haven't even done the breast. And look how tenderized the meat is. So, quick meal. We'll put these on the side. We're gonna go ahead and get a bread. We'll cut it in piece. You could grill this if you want. That's up to you. Optional, all right? Now, you need a sharp knife because if you don't, get a sorted, like one of those bread knives, all right? Open it up a little bit, all right? We're gonna add frijoles first. Eat a little bit of the bread on the bottom. A little bit beans in here, chile, whatever you want. So just a little bit. Let's add some beans and come back. All right, now that we come in the beans, all right, I'm gonna add queso fresco, which I also bought it right now. That's why I said it was under 15 bucks everything. And big pieces of queso in here. Love cheese, so we're gonna put 2 of them. Then start adding our chicken, all right? Like the best parts of the chicken are always the corner parts too, I say, you know, but make sure it's boneless. So try to keep everything out. Look how easy it falls off the bone. I'm not even doing any effort whatsoever. Just tenderizing the whole thing. Look at this, just falls off easily. All right, keep working the actual bone part. This part right here is like one of the softest tissues. A little bit skin. We could add a little bit skin. It's fat, but it's good. So we're gonna add a little bit here. Stuff it, stuff it, stuff it, stuff it. This is the dark meat with the white meat. Stuff it. That's pretty much it. That's all she wrote. We could add our chile now. Don't forget your chile. All right, before we serve this one, because it's going for a kid, my kid, I'm gonna cut in pieces so she can enjoy it a little bit better. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Easy little meal. I'll put it together for her. I'll show you mine. This is mine. Added beans. Big slabs of cheese, all right? Good queso fresco. It just came out too. I just opened it right now too. That's what I said. Big piece of cheese. Gonna add our meat. So I think we're good with the chicken. Stuff it. Good torta, chicken torta, really good. We're gonna add a little salsita. The salsita saved for me. Add it a little bit because I want to give some to my wife too. So shake it up a little bit. Open it up. Look at this. Sauce it down. That's good. Close it up. I'll cut it in pieces because this is enjoyed by. I like to enjoy the bites, not drip everything. So we're gonna leave that there. All right, the best parts is the wings. I told you because they're crispy. Corners. Look, you don't get a lot of meat, but you get a lot of like little pieces of meat on that one. Beautiful. Next wing. That, you know, I had this lettuce, and we are gonna add lettuce to it too. Mine, this is mine. So it's nice and fresh and cut. We kept in the fridge. One piece of lettuce in here. So optional. This is optional. You don't have to do this. You can just eat it as it is, but optional. I love optional. I love options. All right, now it won't be a video if I don't enjoy it in front of you guys. And I do have Jamaica too with it on the side too, but that's for another day that we're gonna do. So we're gonna show you the way I eat this. Yeah, it's Jamaica. I don't keep it in the fridge because there's not enough room in the fridge for. But I kept it out here. Put some ice on it. Beautiful little Jamaica. We're gonna drink it with, either with our food. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so like I said, it wouldn't be a video if I didn't take a bite out of this. I'm not the CEO of McDonald's or anything like that. You know, that was crazy. Now let me bring that conversation. If he didn't take a bite out of the burger, it's because he knows what goes in the burger. And if you don't know what goes in your food, then you should start questioning. Because if you look at the chemicals that just the bun alone has, it's unbelievable. There's no more automatically soy and all that stuff. I mean, these are things that are not unheard of adding to a bread. It's because they want it to last long. They wanted to conserve the bread so long so you won't get the fresh stuff. So when they tell you they add, the only thing that they add that's fresh is probably just the lettuce because it has a couple of days before it rots. But you always want to know what goes in your food. So, this is good. Good, but next time you go to a place that tells you that they make it fresh, not everything's fresh. Don't believe everything you hear. By law, they're only supposed to disclose certain things. No, that McDonald's video, it's just incredible. I actually boycotted McDonald's. I decided not to go at all. And if I do, it's because that's the only thing that's around. But in reality, this year, I'm not going to go to McDonald's at all. I completely quit McDonald's. I ended up myself going to Burger King the other day because the burgers are a lot fresh. They taste better. And they don't get the publicity as McDonald's because McDonald's has the money. But you want to enjoy something that goes, what goes in your body, you at least know what you're doing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.